Police takes over assembly complex. CP redeployed. The police commissioner in Plateau State has been redeployed because he knows the Speaker of the House. So they want to bring somebody that does not know him or anything about him, so they can adequately deal with him. What has the Speaker of the House done? Okay, because this man was speaking on insecurity. He was hammering on it and encouraging the people to ensure that they protect themselves, not knowing that he was stepping on Buhari's toe and on the Fulani agenda to take over Nigeria and to start taking over some states, especially the rural area. Because whether you like it or not, there is an agenda going on. Then when they finish with the rural area, they will move on to phase two, according to late Obadiah. Okay, they move on to phase two, where they will start coming into the urban area, the cities, and start, touching even prominent people and taking them out so that the others have no voice. It becomes the voiceless left. What did he do? Because he spoke for the people. He's now, the government now is against him. This is Nigeria for you, where it is no longer a democratic rule, but a dictatorship rule. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you. Please take over House of Assembly complex in Plateau. Redeployed the police commissioner. The Inspector General of Police, Usman Akali Baba, has ordered the immediate posting of Mr. Ndidi Onyeka to Plateau Command as a new Commissioner of Police. According to the force spokesman CP Frank Mobile, the posting, which took immediate effect following the redeployment of CP Edward to the force headquarters for national engagement, has to be done as issues are going on with the House of Assembly. It may not, however, be unconnected with the current leadership crisis in the House of Assembly in Plateau. Meanwhile, the assembly complex has been taken over by the police as two factions of the lawmakers continue to lay claim to the speakership of the assembly. Since the week began, development at the assembly have been deteriorating. The embittered speaker, Mr. Abuk Yabo, who was purposely impeached on October 27 by 8 out of the 24 members of the assembly, led a faction of lawmakers loyal to him to hold a section outside the assembly complex same day he was impeached, and suspended the lawmakers that impeached him, saying he remains the authentic speaker. Earlier in the week, Ayobo and loyal lawmakers gained access to his office, where we are holding executive section preparation for a sitting when heavy security was deployed to the assembly complex led by the State Commissioner of Police Edward. The CP evacuated Yobo with lawmakers loyal to him from the complex and gave way to Yakub Sadi, a new speaker, and those loyal to him. Can you see that the federal government is interfering because this man was speaking against the insecurity and encouraging the people to prepare themselves for self-defense? So the other people, this is just 8 people out of 24. 8 out of 24, what is left? The other 18 people, they sent them out and allowed just the 8 people, Yakub, to take over the House of Complex, because Yakub have the agenda as well. He knows the game plan. Okay, so Yakub has to be there. Yakub held a briefing with the faction and also declared himself the authentic speaker. He further declared that he would continue to lead the assembly, but that did not happen as the police have taken over the assembly, any group, and preventing any group from sitting. Meanwhile, the immediate past governor of the state has threatened to lead a protest of Plateau people against the illegality that is perpetrating in the assembly. In a statement signed by the media, and Clinton Goba, the former governor, accused Governor Simeon Lagon of complicity and behaving as if nothing is happening. Even the governor of Plateau State has been shut up. Do you see what happened in Enugu recently? These people, I don't know if they've given them money or they've told them not to speak for their people. So every one of them are complacent, can't be bothered about what happened to another person. Every one of them are complacent, can't be bothered about what is happening to another person. They are all just there, doing nothing, folding their arms and allowing people to be killed. What is the business of Nigerian police? This is between me and you, and National Assembly. Who sent the people to the National Assembly? Where did the command come from? Who sent the people? Where did the command come from? Who are those? Who is leading this raid? Who is sending the people? Who exactly is sending the people? So you see what is happening? Welcome to Nigeria, where illegality, injustice, and and things are going on. Okay, this is why Nigeria needs to wake up. There is oppression in the land. Go and see. Go and see what is happening in Go and see what is happening in Anambra State. Go and see for yourself. Just go have a look what is going on in Anambra State. You will understand that Nigeria is, well, I don't want to say gone. I don't want to use my mouth to say evil about the country. But things are not what they should be. No, things are not what they should be. What is happening is not acceptable in any way, form, or kind. People are being oppressed. A lot is going on. We cannot fold our arms and pretend that all is well. You see, the things that you think you are seeing today, you don't understand the word called oppression. Is at the height and the peak of it. Oh, oppression is at the height and the peak of it. And everything that is happening clearly shows to us that there is an agenda. You may not want to believe it, you may not want to accept it, but take it from me, there is an agenda. And those who do not fall in line with this agenda, they want to eliminate them, however way possible, to give way for their own people, okay, who share the same ideology, who have the same mindset. So these are some of the things going on. Welcome, Nigerians. This is the new order. This is the new way things are rolling now. And that's why we must not be quiet. We must not be silent. We must be able to stand up and defend the voice of the defenseless. There are people in our midst. Yeah, there are people who cannot speak for themselves. And that's why they have you, they have me, they have us. If we remain silent in a day like this, then we have not done well. No, we have not done well. What is the business of the police? That's to tell you that somebody somewhere is controlling things. Somebody is manipulating things and saying, remove that guy. Send the police. Ensure that the place is covered. What did he say? He hates people. And Nigerians are quiet. This is democracy washed down the drain. This is democracy eradicated. The governor, where is he? Supporting impunity because he does not want to be removed. It cannot be removed. It's democratically elected. Leave us a comment. We'd like to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.